Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by plugging your Android into the PC with a data cable. This is essential because charge-only cables won't carry network traffic. Once connected, unlock the phone and open settings, the network and internet and hotspot and tethering. This path varies slightly by OEM. Enable USB tethering now. That action tells Android to share its mobile data over the USB interface. Make sure mobile data is on and you have signal, because USB tethering forwards that exact connection to your computer. Once USB tethering is enabled, your computer should detect a new network adapter, allow automatic driver installation, and give it a minute. If drivers don't appear, check Android OEM driver packages or install ADB drivers for older devices. On Windows, open Network Connections and verify the new adapter is enabled. On Mac OS, check System Settings Network. Make sure the adapter is set to DHCP so it receives an IP from the phone. If you use a firewall, permit the new network to access the internet. Finish by confirming internet access. Open a browser and load a page or run a quick ping to 88888. If there's no connectivity, toggle USB tethering off and on, then reboot the phone and the PC. This clears stale network states. Make sure the phone is using mobile data rather than Wi-Fi, and verify your carrier allows tethering because some plans block it. If problems persist, inspect drivers on the computer and try a different data cable to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.